What's up, Jooba people? Welcome to this lesson. Today we're learning Love Story from Taylor Swift. It's going to sound like this. Let me just get the lyrics up here. Oh, this PDF you can download for free, clicking the link in the description. We were both young when we first saw you. I close my eyes and the flashback starts. I'm standing there on a balcony, summer air. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Pretty easy chords. It's not your beginner chords like beginner, but it's your kind of advanced beginner. Beginner chords would be G, C, E minor, D, A, D, E, D, A, E minor. But this is more like C and F. We are going to do easy F. We're not going to do the hard F. But anyway, let's get into it. I know you know what the song sounds like, so I'm not going to play it. But you get an idea of how I'm going to teach it to you. So we're going to start with the C chord. This is the C chord that we're going to use. Ah, that's a nice one. Make sure you're muting the top string. Anyway, make sure you're muting the top string there to get that C nice and clear. Then an F was the next chord. Now for the F, keep the ring finger there, okay? Put your pinky just below it, and then put this middle finger down one string like that. Let me actually go to a close-up view so you guys can see what's going on here. So that's the F, and we got capo on the second fret. For those of you who didn't see that yourself, but anyway, that's the F. Okay, so we got C. So C, F, C, F, C, F. A minor. What's that? Oh, that's the A for the key change, because there is a key change in the song, which makes it really cool to go. A minor. Okay, and then we got a G chord, which is nice, simple G, just like that. Just like 3 and 3 and mute the 5th string. Very important. Some people play G like this. I don't like that G. I like this one more. What are we doing? What are we doing? We're getting distracted here. Okay. So that's it. Let's go through the song. I just want to make a note here that that G should actually be an F. For the verse. So the intro, you got this G, the C just going G. Maybe I should play through the original song. That would be... No, otherwise I'm going to get copyright flag thing. Okay, but anyway. So... I'm actually going to skip the section part here and then just go straight to the PDF here so you guys can see what we're doing. Okay, so intro is just C, G, A minor, F. Not going to do that. We were both young when I first saw you. I close my eyes and the flashback starts. I'm standing there. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. See the light, see the party, the ball, and the same man. I did it by little did I know. Ooh, that you were expecting an F there because the previous time it was an F, but it's G just before the pre-chorus. Because otherwise it would be an F and then it would just stay F in the pre-chorus, which would be stupid. Then you were Romeo, I wasn't throwing pebbles, and my daddy said stay away from Juliet. It's actually a C, not a C/D, but I like this chord. And I was crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go. And I said, So there's a difficult one going, begging you please don't go. F and G and marry me. So that's like F and G and... Does that make sense? I hope so. F and G and Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All that's left to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story. Just say yes. Cool. Second verse same as the first verse. Pre-chorus same as the other pre-chorus. Nothing fancy here. Now just bridge. We should look at the bridge. I got tired of A minor F. Wonder if you were coming around. I faded, it was fading. When I met you on the outskirts of town, and I said, Romeo, save me. I've been feeling so alone. I keep waiting for you, but you never come. This is in my head, I don't know what to think. Head down to the ground and pull the ring out and say, marry me, Juliet, you never have to be alone, I love you. You can get the chords if you download the PDF, but this is basically what's happening here. Key change is going to D. Marry me, Juliet, you never have to be alone, I love you, and that's all I really do. I talk to Dad, pick out a white dress, it's a love story, baby, just say it. Oh, oh, oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Sweet, we were both young when I first saw you. That's it for this song, guys. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope it was of value to you and you really enjoyed it. If you did, go download the PDFs, then I get your email address, and so I can send you marketing stuff. Not marketing stuff, I'm joking. I can send you like valuable emails, like practicing tips, when we're having more live lessons like these ones, and where you can join them. So let me know who's watching up until this point, and I'm going to say goodbye, and I'm going to go home. Have a nice day, guys.